Right at the project site, the 8 panel, 48 volts up to 512 volt battery is off. That is from the last performance of it was on battery mode, and since what we had mentioned, no AC input, that's why when the battery depleted, operating system of 48 volt is disabled. So right now, we are powering on now. We just arrived. Power on. Power on.
Ready.
Saan? Bakit
So,
sila nag-off?
individual battery has a reading of 50, and in parallel it goes 50.
Sino nag-off?
So, total function of all this system that will provide is also the same as 50 volts, which from the breaker input, battery breaker, is 50 also. Passing to the breaker is 50. Then there is an output now from the battery.
Kailangan kanan. Kasundot. Sinundot.
Okay, battery input for the inverter is the same as 50.9. So it means there is an input for DC, for operating system of the inverter.
Yan. Naman
Okay.
AC. Solar.
Solar. Solar input. Solar input has the reading of
77.
77 at this time. It is almost 4 o'clock. 77 also outgoing. That is going to the inverter. Alright, AC input. AC input. AC input from the ATS, the main AC input is here.
AC.
AC input reading is 234. Okay. AC input also will provide the inverter. This is the AC breaker, AC input. There is. Passing the breaker is on, 234 also. AC input, yeah? Okay, it will come here. We have to take out here. That's we need to see the AC out input. Okay, AC output. AC output from the inverter is 11 because there is no yet activation of the inverter. It goes out 11 also, passing through the ATS for output to load. This must be also 11. Alright, so no AC output yet because it's not power on. Before we're going to power on the inverter, we need to take out this. Na-post ba to? Hindi, pagka
Go.
as we have already AC input from the breaker, AC input from the inverter is here. AC input, there is a reading of 2, 3, 4. Okay? AC output is nothing yet because the inverter is not working. While the PB is DC 76 volts, the same as current reading from the breaker. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to power on the inverter. Breaker on. Power. It's shifted to solar. It's not good. Right now, it's working. It's 78 volts of battery, and the battery voltage is 51. The load is 6%.
AC input is 0.
AC input, AC input, AC input has no reading, no connection. AC input, pasok mo dun sa ano. AC input parameters, voltage is 0, frequency is 0 because the status of input is lost. PB parameters, 77 volts, and the current ampere right now is 8.1 amps. Charging status, solar is charging. Energy parameters, daily 8 watts. This is since they start. Okay, so nothing more to see. Battery parameters 51, capacity 23%, charging voltage 56. Output 220, frequency is 60 hertz. Inverter
Output.
Inverter output. Currently we have output from the inverter. Inverter output.
Tara. Ito, AC.
Inverter output. Yes, there is. It coming in here. It coming here. And it goes out to here. The ATS. So there is a power. That's why the ATS is shifted to solar power. Solar power. Now, AC output.
Input.
AC input. AC input, when we tested it still there is a reading of 234, but the inverter doesn't detect the input of the AC. AC input is lost. Okay? Well, thank you very much. That is the presentation right now, and we'll see what we can see. And also, the system mode is on battery priority.
C, nakalagay, calendar.
Lagay mo sa eco muna.
Sa page 4.
So we will remove battery priority because right now the battery is very weak.
Voltage.
And
Low.
voltage is
Low.
getting low.
Jonathan.
So any moment from now it will be the same function that the battery will be, the system will be off.
Di ba may Devera, tapos
Operating system of the inverter is, we put it to 49. The default is 42. So we put 49.
Natalia, Jonathan.
Lagyan mo dun sa input. Battery.
Sa baba pa.
Dun sa battery.
Ilaya L yan.
Battery. Battery. Is
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay, battery parameters. The battery, how I could say, battery low voltage battery
Import.
is battery low voltage.
Ah.
Battery low voltage 49, 49.
Ha?
Magkasama sila eh.
Nino? Oo,
Magkapatid.
sige, bigay mo na din. Pwede na yan.
Ay, charging pala. Ano pa?
Battery protect setting, we put it to 49.2, which the default is 42, thinking that the 49 will be safer because of the operating system of the inverter is 48. So that's good enough. We are now receiving alarm, which the
Low bat.
alarm of this is getting low bat. Charging of the battery is very weak because it's already 5 o'clock. And since yesterday, when it was off, we never touch it, knowing that it will come automatically when the sun rise. The voltage for charging from solar will be automatically feed the battery, but it did not because of the inverter is off. So that's it for the presentation, and we would like to make the option of the system will be on eco mode, removing from the battery priority. We put it to eco. That's it. That is in eco mode because there is no option yet of AC priority because we cannot detect the AC input from the inverter. Clear on sound yan. Okay, that's it. So, we are going to monitor again as we have said. We are monitoring it before we have we got complete charge of the battery, and we'll come back again tomorrow morning. Thank you.